back to our channel, Gottagoemmaandshane.
So what are we doing today, Emma?
We are doing, if you will,
an actual gingerbread house.
yes, we are going to make one. So as you've seen before, if you watched our video, there'll be a card here. We made a chocolate version. Now we're going to make the traditional
version. But we bought a standard kit anyway.
Yes.
We bought this from Marks and Spencer's. It's a gingerbread house kit.
Yes.
Comes with everything. But we thought we'd throw a spin on it. We thought we would try to do our best of making a gingerbread house Disney-fied.
Yes, so we're going to try and put as much Disney stuff on this as
possible. So guys, sit back, relax, and watch us make a mess of this one.
And in our kitchen!
In our kitchen. By the way, just to let you know, 17 days left till Christmas.
And it might even be less, it will be less by the time
It
you
will be
see
less. So guys, just a quick thank you to all our subscribers. It's been amazing.
Yes, thank you so much for all your support, and plus thank you to everyone that's supporting us on our Instagram as well. That has been absolutely amazing.
Also, can you believe this will be our 50th upload? Our
Oh my
50th vlog.
I know, I can't believe this is our 50th video, guys, so thank you so much for all your support.
It's been amazing. So, let's crack on with messing the ginger house up.
Let's hope not.
So to start off, this is the kit, like we said, this is from
Yes.
Marks and Spencer's. How much did we pay for this kit?
This is actually a really good price. It was only £5.
That's really good.
That is good, because we saw them in other places. Tesco's are selling them being in bargains, and they were all wanting between £8 and £10 for the exact same size. So this is why when we saw this one only £5, we thought we would try this one. So
Yeah.
now we will show you everything that it comes with.
So what do we get in the kit for £5?
Yes, so we get some little snowflakes.
Ooh, snowflakes.
Yes, we get some sweets, some candy to go on top. We do have more. We get the icing as well that comes already with it. So
Awesome, because you've seen in our last gingerbread house slash chocolate house, we had to make it.
and it comes with as well the 3 little bits to do different sort of designs.
Yeah, so you've got like a flat nozzle, a round nozzle, you've got
Like a flower.
a
Like I was saying,
flower
like a flower.
nozzle, and then you've got obviously the cap just in case you don't use it, so make sure you don't throw that one out because that's important.
And then you've got some little red and green little dots. And then obviously you get the actual kit as well, so, and that's all here as well. So there's the actual kit. So you don't get too much, but I think it's worth the £5 compared, like, for what you get. I think it's quite worth it.
Definitely.
It's definitely worth it. And do you know what? It looks quite an easy one.
Do you know
to
what I like
actually
about
make.
this kit? The simple thing about this kit is you've got everything drawn on. So in theory, with this, all you've got to do is follow the lines.
Yeah, so I think it's a really good one for kids.
Yeah.
To do with
Good little family kit.
Yeah, it's a really good little kit, and plus it's quite small as well. So, and plus the other thing we did buy was our little board. So if you want to buy that, just to do as like a little extra, but I definitely think it's so worth the £5.
So guys, on opening this packet, all I can smell is ginger heaven.
You love gingerbread.
Ginger heaven. I love gingerbread.
No, you don't.
And it's got nothing to do with my hair colour.
You don't like no strawberry blonde.
Strawberry blonde ginger.
Strawberry blonde.
So yeah, all I can smell is ginger heaven. So in the kit of gingerbread, obviously you get your 2 side walls. Yeah, that's the right way, with the windows. You've got 2 end gables.
And we have got our 2 bits for the roof as well.
I'm not gonna lie, I want to eat this right now. It's so hard not to eat this because I love
Should we
gingerbread.
put tape over your mouth?
I think that'll be better. I think it'll be a better vlog if I don't talk.
So one thing, like Shane already mentioned, that's really good about it is that everything is already printed on it for you, so you're just following. So it's really good. I think it's really good for kids, and for the price, it's amazing.
Yep.
So
Icing, icing.
I don't think it went. But yeah.
So I'm going to add a little bit of ice in here. Very. That's it done. Right, end of the vlog, guys. See you next week for more. So 6 hours later, we've decorated our house as best as we can do. I think we've not done too bad.
We will turn it round. You obviously see some close-ups.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it looks really good. I think it's a great pack, like for £5 and for everything you get in it.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, we did get a couple extra little things, like we had the lilac-y purple icing, and we had a few more of these in as well.
The only criticism I'd say is these little balls here.
Yeah, the ones where you see
are a
close-up.
nightmare. You have to have fingers the size of I don't know what ants' toes to put them on. They're just so small.
But
My floor is full of them.
But the thing is, I think it's great for £5. It's so worth it. The only thing I would say is, I would maybe get another white icing, just a little tube, just in case. And we do have a little bit left. We were watching at the very end. We started to really watch what we were doing with it. That's why we went a little bit with the lilac-y purple, just because we were starting to run really low at the very end, just because we wanted to add a couple more details in. So yeah, let's go to
the best bit. The best bit is always the icing sugar, because the icing sugar hides all the mistakes.
So let me just pop some in here, rush it in. Make sure it's all ready to go. Do you want to get the other cameras to get some shots? We want a lot on it this time, or?
I don't think so, no. We used the last time we used a lot just to hide all the mistakes.
It was no mistakes. We just actually were enjoying it. Like right now, I'm enjoying it again. Whee!
You're hiding all my hidden Mickeys.
There we go.
On the roof.
Forgot we did buy one more thing. Ta-da! Ta-da!
There's no. You've got to have a snowman.
Yeah, so we have got a little snowman. If I can get them open. So in a moment as well, guys, we're going to bring out the other one we made, because we still actually have it, so we can put them side by side, so you can see them both. To be really delicate. There we go, and he needs a little bit of dusting.
And to be quite honest, that's quite quick.
Very quick.
6 hours is not that long.
No. There'll be a card for our very first baking challenge, the cake vlog. That was about what? How many hours was that? Like
that was a full day.
That was a full entire day. This literally took us what? An hour?
Yep.
Like an hour, I would probably say.
I'm gonna go and get the chocolate house.
Yes, so you can see side by side.
Side by side, guys. But what we want you to do is comment down below. Are you team chocolate house or team gingerbread house?
Yes, what was your favourite? So let's go and get it out. Dun, 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 dun.
So guys, these are our two houses.
Oh my god, I'm in
Oh my god. So this is the gingerbread one, which we've just done, and this is the chocolate one we did the other day, the week.
Yeah.
I can't remember when.
There will be a card there for when we done this one. So guys, what we want you to do is decide what one, obviously it's very hard for me because I can't pick one, but what one is your favourite between our gingerbread or our chocolate house? What one's your favourite? Comment below, let us know.
Are you team ginge or team chocolate?
Ooh.
Ooh. So guys, if we bring them in a bit closer, then you can see.
Yes.
We're going around. So this is the gingerbread one. There it is.
You're going to do loads of close-ups next in the minute.
Yeah, there we go. Little snowman in the garden. A little bit of frosting on the roof.
And look at our hidden Mickey at the front.
Hidden Mickey. I'm going to tilt it a little. There you go, guys. A bit of a hidden Mickey. Lots of little hidden Mickeys on the roof with the little balls, the nightmare balls. And now Emma's going to bring in the chocolate one.
So here we go. Here is our chocolate one. Ta-da! So yes, so we've got a little garden in this one as well with a marshmallow. We've got our chimney. We've got all our chocolate. Oh my god, it looks amazing. We can't wait to eat this one. But we deliberately kept it because we knew we were going to be doing this vlog next. So yeah. So yeah guys, like we said, comment below what is your favourite. Can you pick one?
I would go team ginger because I love gingerbread.
I'm going to go with chocolate because I know it took us a little bit longer, but we were so excited to do this one. We were so amazed when we done it. I'm going to go chocolate, plus I do love my chocolate.
And I love my gingerbread, so
yeah, are you team Shane or team Emma?
So guys, we hope you have enjoyed this vlog, our 50th.
I know, our 50th vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching this one, for watching our past vlog and supporting us through the entire way here. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Don't forget guys, we have our social media.
Yes, we've got Instagram, so it's Gotta Go Emma, Gotta Go Shane, and for our official page, it's Gotta Go Orlando. So please go like that one. It's fairly new, so go and please support that page as well.
We also have Gotta Go Orlando on Twitter.
Yeah, so that's a brand new. So go, if you've got Twitter, go and support that page as well. That's fairly new as well. So they are brand new pages, whereas our personals we've had for quite a while now. So yeah, please go and support them.
So
yeah. We've still not said one more thing. Please like this video if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. It would mean so much to us. And remember to hit that notification bell. That will let you know when any new uploads are uploaded. Plus, we're doing a lot of premieres. So that means you can watch it with us as it goes up, and you can write to us and we will write back to you. So yeah, remember to check that out.
Check them out. So all we can really say now guys is it's come to the end of the vlog. Is TikTok.
Gotta go.
Gotta go Orlando guys. Bye.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays everyone.